Why do you suddenly want to buy something you didn't even care about a few minutes ago? That feeling is usually not random. It comes from a system built to turn attention into desire and desire into spending. In the United States, people make buying choices all day. What to wear, what to eat, what phone to use, what app to subscribe to. These choices feel personal, but many of them are shaped by deeper forces working in the background. Psychology, technology, money, social pressure, and product design. In this video, we'll break down how consumerism controls behavior, not as one big conspiracy, but as a repeatable system. A system that makes buying feel normal, urgent, and even automatic. Consumerism is not just about selling products. It is about shaping habits. It works by creating desire, speeding up decisions, reducing spending pain, and keeping people in a cycle of replacing what they already have. When you look closely, the pattern becomes clear. The first force is brain reward. A new product can create a strong feeling of anticipation, not because owning it is always amazing, but because wanting it feels exciting. Your brain reacts strongly to surprise. A flash sale, a limited drop, a better version than expected. That surprise creates a reward signal, and your brain remembers what triggered it. Over time, even small signals can start the cycle. A brand logo, a notification sound, a sale ends tonight message. Soon, the urge starts before the purchase even happens. The product matters less. The chase matters more. The second force is mental shortcuts. People do not analyze every purchase carefully. Most small decisions happen fast. That is exactly where modern marketing works best. If a website says, "Only 3 left," it creates urgency. If a timer counts down, it creates pressure. If a subscription box is already checked, many people leave it that way. These are small nudges, but they push people away from calm thinking and toward quick action. The goal is simple. Make buying feel easier than stopping. The third force is digital prediction. Every click, search, like, and pause creates data. That data helps platforms guess what you might want next. So instead of seeing random products, you see products chosen for you, based on your habits, your interests, your mood, sometimes even your timing. This makes consumerism feel personal. It feels like you found something, but often it found you first. The system learns what gets your attention, then keeps feeding it back to you. The fourth force is payment design. Spending usually feels uncomfortable. That discomfort can slow people down. But modern payment systems reduce that feeling. Tap to pay. Auto-renew subscriptions. Buy now, pay later. Monthly installments. A $400 purchase can suddenly feel like just $33 a month. The total cost becomes less visible. The pain feels smaller. So people spend faster, and often spend more. When paying feels easier, self-control usually gets weaker. The fifth force is identity. People do not only buy for function, they also buy for meaning. What a product says about them, what it signals to other people. In the past, this was about status. Today, social media makes it stronger. You constantly see new clothes, new gadgets, new trips, new upgrades. And that creates comparison. It creates pressure to keep up. Sometimes the real product is not the item itself. It is belonging. It is status. It is the feeling of not being left behind. The sixth force is the replacement cycle. Many products are not built to feel permanent. Some wear out. Some stop getting updates. Some still work, but start to feel old. This is where consumerism becomes continuous. You do not just buy once. You prepare to buy again. Sometimes because the product fails. Sometimes because the style changes. Sometimes because marketing makes your current version feel outdated. So even when something still works, it can feel like it no longer fits. That keeps the cycle moving. Now put these forces together. Your brain learns to want. Algorithms learn what triggers you. Marketing speeds up the decision. Easy payments remove the friction. Social pressure gives the purchase meaning. And product cycles make replacement feel normal. That is why consumerism is so powerful. It does not rely on one trick. It uses many small forces that reinforce each other. Understanding this does not mean you stop buying things. It just means you start seeing the system more clearly. And once you can see the system, you can pause before it makes the choice for you. Consumerism works best when it feels invisible. The moment you recognize the pattern, you get some control back. This is Simplexplain, complex ideas simply explained.